In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your email on Google Workspace. This essential guide will navigate you through the process, ensuring that you're able to efficiently access your inbox, no matter if you're new to Google Workspace or just need a quick refresher. First off, let's head over to Google Workspace. It's essentially your one-stop shop for all your productivity tools, including Gmail, which of course is what we're focusing on today. Upon reaching the website, you'll notice several options, but what we're interested in is the admin console. This is where you can manage all aspects of your account, but today it's just our gateway to accessing our email. Next, you're prompted to choose your Google account. This might be a straightforward step for most, especially if you're using a personal device or if you have a default account you usually operate with. However, in case you're juggling between multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Google Workspace. Following the account selection, you'll be asked to enter your password. It's a standard security measure ensuring that it's indeed you who's trying to access the account. As always, make sure you're entering the correct password to avoid unnecessary login issues. Once you've entered your password, you'll click on Next. This takes you deeper into your Google Workspace environment, where all your productivity tools reside. Now, for the magic part, accessing your email, look to the top right of your screen and you'll see the square dots icon, commonly referred to as the Google Apps icon. It's a small grid that, when clicked, unfolds into a larger menu showcasing various Google services available at your disposal. Within this menu, look for and click on Gmail. It's usually unmistakably represented with its iconic envelope logo. This action redirects you straight to your Gmail dashboard, but we're not done just yet. Finally, to see all your messages, click on Inbox. This will display all your received emails, neatly organized, waiting for your attention. Whether it's an important work email, a newsletter you've subscribed to, or just a friendly hello from a distant friend, they're all here in your inbox. And there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide to checking your email in Google Workspace. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these steps can greatly improve your efficiency and ensure you're always on top of your communication, no matter where you are. Whether you're a busy professional on the go, or just prefer a neat, organized approach to your digital life, Google Workspace's Gmail has got you covered.